Hello everybody, tonight we make a beautiful dish that I want to enjoy by myself. We make a lasagna. Now the lasagna, I got over here 1 pound of lasagna, but I boiled already. I was boiling for 13 minutes and I put over here like it's more easy to make. I need the black pepper, salt, pecorino cheese, ricotta cheese, this is fresh, parsley, mozzarella, eggs, and I got the meat sauce. This is my meat sauce I was make, but so somebody want to see my recipe, the meat sauce, click over here. Okay, I got my oven on 400 degrees, and now we start with the ricotta. The ricotta, it's fresh ricotta, and we put all the ricotta in a dish, and we start to break a little bit of the ricotta. Okay, and now I got the crack 3 eggs. And we start. And now we start to mix the eggs with the ricotta. Now I put a little bit of mozzarella, not too much, because I got to mix with the ricotta. And we give a nice turn. The mozzarella. After the mozzarella we got the pecorino cheese, and we stick a little pecorino cheese over here too, and we give a nice turn on this. Now a lot of people make the lasagna like this with the ricotta, everything, and what it do, it put all the sauce together. But I don't do like this. I want to put the sauce not too much. I put 2 spoons of this, maybe a little bit more, like this. And we give a turn. This, I know you gotta taste good. Cause this, it's my own make sauce. And when you make a sauce, so you no sweat, it's no sauce. Okay, I got my chopped parsley from my garden, and we mix it together with the cheese. I need a little salt. This is a sea salt, marina salt. And I put a little salt, not too much, like a half a teaspoon. And I got some black pepper. That's it, this is done. And now we give a nice mix. Okay, and this is done. Okay, now we start the lasagna. And we start with the sauce. And we put a little sauce on a bottle of the pots, and make sure the sauce go like this, every place like that. Okay, and this is the lasagna, and we start pour like this. Okay, and now, like I said before, I put the sauce, and we give a nice with the sauce like this, and the ricotta, and we spread all over the ricotta. You see, it's why I like the ricotta like this, because when you cut the lasagna you can see the ricotta. And now we put a little mozzarella. Each layer, make sure that you gotta put mozzarella, and the pecorino cheese. Maybe somebody say, why you use the pepper? I use the pepper like this, the lasagna, when you cook, you take it out, you clove, and you put a little oil. And like this, it no stick the lasagna. Look at this, look how beautiful. Okay, now we do everything is the same thing, the way you gotta do. After, I show at the end the way to finish the lasagna. And now we do the same thing, same routine. Okay, now I did the last layer, the lasagna. Now the only thing I gotta put on the top, sauce. And we give a nice, okay, you gotta cover all the pasta like this. What I do, I leave it cook the lasagna for 1 hour. After I take it out, and I put the pecorino cheese, e the mozzarella.
Please subscribe
Because
to
I
watch
put it
more.
now for 1 hour and 10 minutes, cheese, pecorino and mozzarella, it burn. You gotta cover. Like this, I leave it cook with no cheese on the top. Okay, now this is go right in the oven. I got a 400 degree. Okay, now the lasagna is in the oven. Now you think I gotta wait 1 hour and 10 minutes with the lasagna gotta cook and I don't gotta do nothing? Forget about it. I got my wine over here and with the cheese. And like this, I can dance a little bit too, because I love cheese e I like the wine e vita sai che come cammina. Salute e cincide tutte quante. Parababunzi punzi pera, parababunzi punzi pa. La la, pizza fritte e baccalà. Thank you. Salute e cincide everybody. Okay, now the lasagna is ready. And it's a time to put the mozzarella and the Parmigiano cheese, the pecorino cheese, I'm sorry. Okay, now let's put the mozzarella. All right. And now we have the pecorino cheese. All right? Okay, now back to the oven. But maybe 10 minutes. And this will be ready. All right. Okay, now the lasagna, the cheese, it's melted down. And we take out, and we put it right over here. But this now, you gotta relax, got the cheese, you gotta firm it together. And we leave it stay for 5 minutes, because till it boil all the way around. Okay, now let's try this lasagna, what it look like. Now let me cut one piece for me, and let's take out. Oh, look how beautiful. Stay it together. Now, it's really good. And with the oil baby, it's much better. Okay, thank you very much everybody. It's really delicious. Put the like button. I want to see everybody, a lot of like. Thank you very much. Chin chin e salute everybody. Hey, put a boom, win, ma sempre buono. The wine you need. Thank you. Thumbs up.